come on, 3 nights in a row? This is impossible. How much longer?
We should stop tolerating that. Susie, I'll sort it out.
Huh? He really did that? Hail Tibidaba! Now I can finally go back to sleep. Oh, what a relief. No, not again!
Susie, I worked it out!
Are you sure? Then why is the music still on?
We agreed on a music contest, like a rock battle, you know, with all the cool clothes and guitars and all that. We'll create a rock band! And if our guys will play better than that playlist of our neighbors, then they'll stop turning it on at all! Awesome!
Oh, Sammy.
Hey, what's the matter, Susie? Ouch! Next time, we won't let the neighbors sleep! Shiver me cheddars, where are they? They should have arrived already!
Hi, guys. Are you ready to meet the new member of our future rock band?
What? He's not with you?
Nope, our friendly neighbor prefers climbing walls. Ah, here he is!
He looks pretty worn out. Will he be able to take another huge transformation?
Sure, check this out. Spiderman is eager to demonstrate his abilities.
Guys, you defo haven't expected that! A famous superhero is about to turn into a glam rock villain superstar! Arr!
That's a shocking plot twist. We already have Glam Rock Freddy here. Who do you think will be part of his Glam Rock duet, guys?
He has very prominent feet. Interesting.
Sam certainly knows something. Guys, try to crack him up.
Who, me? I don't know what you're talking about.
Shower him in your thumbs ups. He won't resist.
All right, you got me. We're making Montgomery Gator.
Yay! His feet are already done, and look, they're amazing! Let's do more plasticine works. We'll need a mat. Let's knead the plasticine this way to make it more flexible. First, we'll just layer up sculpting clay on the figure, starting from his feet and moving up to his calves and higher.
I've got something for ya!
Thanks, Sam. Perfect timing. Here we go. This way.
Holy cannoli! He started growing new arms! Maybe I could transform into a reptile too!
Are you sure you really want to do that?
Come on, Susan! I was daydreaming!
Oh, Sammy, one reptile in our house is enough.
Can I be a sculptor at least? It's my second dream in a row!
That would be great! Suit yourself! I'm almost done. How's it going, Sammy?
Awesome! By the way, you can check it for yourself!
Wow, it makes him look more like an animatronic character! Now I'll take care of a few smaller details.
Looks great, but where is his head?
He lost it out of excitement. Honestly, even the most skillful sculptor can't make an alligator head out of the Spider-Man's one.
Sue, we can do it! Oops!
Guys, we have a new challenge then, but first let's color the body. Montgomery Gator primary colors are green and purple.
Guys, prepare your painting supplies! Let's color him up!
I'm gonna show you one little trick.
You have to train your vocals more. What was that weak roar last time? Huh? What is it?
Mr. Manager, can I borrow this decor piece from you?
And I'm gonna give Freddie some music lessons.
Guys, let's learn some glam rock fashion rules. Scaly pants work well with a yellow top.
Ha! And that's how it's done.
Sammy, what about crafting?
I'll elaborate on it in a moment. Finally, you start looking like a rock star. Check out this belt. Sue, turn him around. And a reptile tail popped out. Whoa! Do you have lizard relatives?
By the way, alligators are also able to grow their tails back. So, Montgomery Gator also has this ability. It's not surprising.
I need to update my knowledge treasury. Wikipedia, help me!
Black oval pieces help us make a bending shape of the tail.
Why so long? Maybe Montgomery needs some nutrients to grow faster? I guess he needs a head to eat anything after all.
I have another idea. Maybe we should make a musical instrument for him to do that?
I hope that you're making a guitar!
Yes, Sammy. Montgomery Gator animatronic always brings his electric guitar with him.
So he should play some metal music! His guitar has a metal core in it, right?
I hope that he and Glamrock Freddy won't have any arguments about that. Here is the body and the neck of the guitar. Oh, and a headstock. So, shall we play something?
Susie, are you kidding me? We can't play anything rockish on that!
Let's fix it. First, we'll add some shine. Glamrock is a dazzling and striking style.
Add some black, too! We have real predators in our rock band, so we need something dark.
Something like this? Is this dark enough for you?
Holy cannoli! I feel the rock spirit flowing in my oozy veins! Add more, Susie!
Guys, do you want to play this guitar? Then you need a bridge and pickups.
Don't forget about volume knobs and strings! I've been keeping them for ages!
You don't need them anymore. Here, let me tighten them up. There we go. Hup.
Our guitar will have just 4 strings, guys!
Oh, I can't believe that our guitar is ready.
Say rock! Shiver me cheddars! Susie, you need some practice!
Sorry, I haven't learned to play only with my 2 fingers. I hope that Montgomery will make it right, but let's postpone his performance for later.
Now he finally has enough spirit to grow his tail!
You're right, Sammy! It is growing!
Guys, do you need a slime artist to diversify your band? Hey, you could have just said no.
Sammy, come on! Montgomery Gator is having his first solo concert.
By the mozzarella! Keep a seat for me! Mr. Montgomery, hi! Can we take a selfie? Ah, a head! We forgot about his head!
He played the whole song without it. Guys, you should give our Montgomery Gator a thumbs up. Great!
Are you ready to finish the craft and meet him in person? Stay tuned! Let's see. This shape looks quite familiar. Ah! Is it from Jurassic Park?
Sammy, we should still make Montgomery's head, remember? I just wanted to stir my inspiration.
Oh, so that is what you call it? Ugh.
Actually, you could have helped me with the head shape, Sammy.
I'm here now! How can a crafty slime help you, miss?
You're on time. We need to smooth the insides of the eye sockets.
Eye surgery? What else will I learn through making crafts?
Painting, for instance. Now let's make a split! Cool! As we're making an animatronic, we should create mechanic sockets for his eyeballs.
Ew, gross! But very interesting.
Let's place mechanic eyeballs inside and draw the irises right after that. Montgomery, can you see us?
You're making it all wrong, Susie! Here, let me show you!
Now I don't see anything as he's gone.
Sammy, come back! And bring my head back!
I'm here, no whining! Check this out! Much better, huh?
Yup, I think the real Montgomery would be very pleased and show us his wide toothy smile.
Ah, teeth! We forgot his teeth! Susan, we have to provide him with an urgent dental plastic surgery! Hurry up!
Sammy, I already did everything. Say, ah. Wow, it's a pretty wide ah.
Susie, it's all great, but a glam rock star needs some makeup on too! Plus a cool hairdo! Let's hurry up and get it done!
His makeup and hairdo are ready. The concert is coming. Let's attach the head to the body.
Ugh, so hard to be a group manager. One more thing. The claws are ready too!
His outfit should be really outstanding. Let's add some more striking details.
Star eyeglasses for a glam rock superstar!
Just one final touch and he's ready.
We have another candidate for being a stage king here! Get ready for some glam rock, guys! And welcome to our very first awesome rock concert! Are you ready to hear the biggest hit ever? Oh, yeah! It was a blast! Our guys were the best. The neighbors won't stand a chance!
No more sleepless nights. Who knew that our glam rock band would help with that?
Susie, I think you'll have just one more sleepless night today. Our neighbors invited us all to have a rock concert at their house.
Will it ever end? Guys, thank you for being with us today. Give us a thumbs up if you liked this video.
And don't forget to subscribe!